Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome to the video on how to master PTE's Write From Dictation task. Whether you're preparing for the exam or just starting out, these tips and strategies will help you perform better. Let's get right into it. Write from dictation is a task where you listen to a sentence and type it out word for word, paying attention to spelling, punctuation, and word order. It sounds simple, but there are a few key details to remember to maximize your score. 1. Does PTE Write from Dictation contribute to other modules? Yes! PTE Write from Dictation doesn't just impact your listening score, it also contributes to your writing score. Getting it right can boost your overall results. 2. How much daily practice is needed for PTE dictations? For daily practice, aim for around 30 to 50 dictation per day. This ensures you're training your ear and improving your typing skills simultaneously. Consistency is key to building your accuracy and speed. 3. Is sequence mandatory when writing dictation? Absolutely. The sequence of words is crucial. 4. Should we write initials during the dictation? A useful tip is to jot down the initials of each word as you hear them. This helps you remember the structure of the sentence and allows you to fill in the full words afterward. It's an efficient way to make sure you capture every word without falling behind. 5. How important is focusing on spelling while typing dictation? Spelling is critical. Even a small spelling mistake can cost you valuable points, so it's important to focus on spelling while typing. 6. How do we add extra words in dictation? See, when we write dictation, the computer gives us marks for the dictation according to the sequence of the dictation. It will not do that the first word you have written in the first dictation and the computer will pick it last. This will not happen. The computer will pick up the words in the dictation in sequence only, and the extra words that you add in the dictation should be added only when we feel that something is missing. Do not write all the grammar at the end after writing the dictation. By doing this, you will not get the marks that you want. So add grammar when you feel. If you want a separate video for how to add extra words in dictation, comment me, I'll make for you. 7. What's the best way to manage time during dictation? Time management is vital. On average, spend around 30 to 45 seconds per dictation. Don't waste too much time on any single task. Make sure you have enough time for all dictations, especially if they increase in difficulty. 8. How many dictations will appear in the exam? You'll typically see between 1 and 4 dictations in the exam. The first one is usually easier, while the others get progressively more challenging. Be prepared for this variety in difficulty. 9. What speed limit should we use while practicing, and what speed will we face in the exam? When practicing, start with a slower playback speed, around 0.5x, especially if you're a beginner. As you become more comfortable, you can increase the speed to 1.0x or even 1.2x. In the exam, dictations will be played at a natural pace, so it's important to be ready for that. 10. Why is daily practice important? Practicing daily doesn't just improve your write from dictation scores, it also boosts your overall listening skills and helps with tasks like sentence repetition. The more you practice, the better you'll get. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips useful, make sure to subscribe and share this with anyone else preparing for the PTE exam. See you in the next video.